Alrighty, like, comment, and share to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. And this is your flying foot block and also your regular foot lock. So as a beginner or a newbie, you do want to start on the ground. Do these on the ground until you can progress to the air. Remember, the fabric goes on top of the foot and under, and then you're going to stand up into a flying hollow body. Beautiful. Ankle to ankle, and relax the shoulders. This is a pretty perfect position here, working that inner hollow body. Your goal is to be able to do this in the air and switch side to side without stopping. This also works your endurance, your muscular endurance. Thinking of all of your technique spots, your shoulders down, a space between you and the fabric, ankles next to each other, and really getting that foot lock. Think flying hollow body. Let's check it out here again. Good. Don't get too far away from the fabric. You want just a few inches between you and the fabric. Ankle to ankle. Better. Relax the shoulders. Pop it out. Good. You can always lean back a little bit to pop it out. Oh, you got it. Good job. Almost. Oh, good. I know it's heavy on the endurance, heavy on that muscular endurance. Remember to create a gap between you and the fabric, which will come with more strength when you get there, okay? You can slide the hands down more even with the heart. Good. Good internal strength. Good job, good job. Remember, like, comment, and share. And ring that bell so that you're the first to get the notifications when we drop a new video. We can't wait to see you very soon.